Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever searched your name on Google and tried to click on Claim this knowledge panel, but instead saw a message saying, someone is already managing this panel on Google, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to contact Google and request account recovery so you can regain access to your knowledge panel. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Google Knowledge Panel help page. Step 2. Scroll down and click on the Contact Us button. Step 3. On the Contact Us page, under What Can We Help You With, enter Someone else claimed my knowledge panel and I cannot access it. Then click Next. Step 4. Under Choose the best description of this issue, select Account Recovery, then click the Next Step button. Step 5. You will see a Resources section. Simply skip this section by clicking Next Step again. Step 6. Under the Contact options, select Email. Step 7. Now complete the form by entering the required information. Enter your full name, your knowledge panel name, select your country, enter your email address, and paste your knowledge panel URL. Finally, in the description box, clearly explain your issue in detail. Once you are done, click Submit to send your request to Google. Based on my experience, the Google search team usually responds within 1 to 3 business days. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this on Google Knowledge Panels, artist SEO, and managing your online presence. I regularly share practical guides to help artists, creators, and public figures understand how Google systems work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.